Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of trip.com. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about trip.com and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.